Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to screenshot without buttons on Android device. So let's get started. So if you want to take a screenshot without using your buttons, now to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your settings, and after opening up your settings application, scroll down and you will find accessibility option. Just tap on accessibility, and from here you just have to scroll down and then tap on accessibility menu, and after tapping on that you will find this option which is turned off, and after turning it on you will find this pop-up which says scroll up with your two fingers, and you will find your accessibility menu and you can take a screenshot. So you simply tap on OK, and after tapping on OK, now you have successfully accessed your accessibility menu. Now what you can do is with your two fingers you just have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen. After doing that, here you can see guys, you can find a bunch of options, and from here you will find screenshot option. So what you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that you will successfully take a screenshot. So you just have to scroll up from your bottom of your screen with your two fingers, and you will find screenshot option. You just have to tap on it and you can take a screenshot. So not only a screenshot, you can also log your screen. You can access volume down, volume up button, and brightness down, brightness up, and some other options. So you can just simply do that and you can take a screenshot without using buttons on your device. So that's it guys, this is how to screenshot without buttons on Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.